Alright, this is a 84. I don't think it matters. You can see in here, this is an adjustment. This is supposed to be a one-way lever. And you can see possibly, yeah, you can see how the lever hooks in there. Sorry. And it's supposed to, obviously, it's supposed to not let it go that way, but do let it go that way. And so that's the when it goes like that, the brake pads will expand out. It's supposed to be automatic, and so obviously as these brake pads wear over time, they'll get thinner, and that's supposed to automatically adjust and get wider, so that the resting point, like where it is now, is at a certain distance, which is not too far from the insides of the drum. And like I said, over that time that will change because of this pad getting worn down. And so when you put it on there, sorry about this, maybe I can do it one-handed, we'll see. Put it on there, you can feel there's some space. Not quite on the bolts, whatever you want to call them. You feel there's a little space there. So what you want to do, there's that hole, which, yeah, there it is. My finger on the other side of the hole. Oh wait, what? Where is it? There's my finger. There's the hole. And there it is on the other side, if I can get my light around. Best way I found to do this, there's not much room to work back here from the back and stick it through the hole. Oh God, I'm sorry, this is just as annoying for me as it is for you. Well, you're gonna have to trust me. There you go. Okay, so you want to flip it up and down. What I have found is the best way is to stick this in here from the side, kind of about an angle. Okay, basically, still can't see the stupid hole in the back. There's the hole. Basically, what I'm going to do is stick this back there and rotate it like this to get that thing to click up or down. Let's see if we can get it. My God, if this piece of crap would focus. Let's take it through the back. Doesn't want to go that way. It's nice to practice this so you can see how to get just the right angle there. Hey, and it's finally working. And now you can know which way you want to go. Going in here, I'm going like this. That is rotating the little knobs downward, which will, on this side, rotate them the right way, the tightening way. That way. Oh wow, this is incredibly annoying to, there we go. Anyway, you get the idea. So that's tightening it, that's rotating it like this. And the reason there are those two sets of splines is, again, if this piece of crap would focus, this one right here is for the adjustment, and this next one, where obviously where the little arm is going, is locking it. It's supposed to be a one-way thing. Wow, this camera is such a piece of crap. Anyway, sorry, but that's the trick. Is it's really hard to get something straight in back there. So if you stick this in the side, screw with it some. And it's definitely best to practice with this thing off, and that's the deal.